I'm going to put the flaps. Okay, guys, so today we're flying here in Kenya from here, Mughwongo to Mulika Lodge, and yeah, it's looking fun. So I want to take off, disengage parking brake. I don't know what's the problem here in Kenya right now, but it's very weird. Okay, I'm going to take off. Take off. Okay, good. We're up in the air. Even after some weird stuff were happening here in Kenya, yeah, that was very weird. Never experienced that when I was flying anywhere. But luckily, we're up in the air nicely. Yep. There's two Mulika Lodge airports, but we're flying to that one over there. Yeah. I think it's just because it might be a bit windy here in Kenya. Yeah. Oh yeah, definitely something weird's happening here today in Kenya. And if this doesn't play out, I'm gonna have to change the lever. Because I don't know what stupid lever is here, but it's definitely something very weird. Okay, so we're flying to Mulika Lodge. Over there, not this one, the other one. And yeah, the scenery of Kenya is really beautiful. Very good. We're heading for that airport. Okay, so I see our airport is right over there. And we're gonna get a nice approach in. And yeah, this is a very short flight. closer and closer. I think I can put the flaps down by now. Okay, I see the airport. I see it. Yep, I see the airport. Totally, I see it. Okay, so we're here approaching onto the runway. Wow, really nice! Especially on this windy day in Kenya. Absolutely, yep. Awesome! Great! Wow! That was actually awesome. Yeah. Especially on this windy day in Kenya. I don't know how I did that, but that was just awesome. Yeah. Especially on this windy day in Kenya. Just wow. Yeah, great. This was just great, guys. This was an awesome landing, awesome flight. And I don't know how I landed in these conditions on a very thin runway. Just wow. I made a buttery smooth landing plus that. Yeah. Awesome. I can't believe it. Yes. Yes. I did it. Now it's time to taxi to the parking. Yep. Okay. So am I gonna add a bit of power since this is going uphill? And Kenya is a beautiful place to fly in. Yeah. Really nice sceneries. Sceneries are just awesome here in Kenya. Oh yes, absolutely. Okay, we have asphalt here again. And a nice parking spot made just for me. Okay, so I'm gonna turn. Okay, nice turning here. I have. Okay, and stop. Good, great. This was awesome. Yep. And now I'm gonna put the. Just give me a second. I'm gonna put the parking brakes on, engine off, then flaps up. Okay, and now let's go out and check. Just give me a second. I'm gonna check something before we go out and check. Okay, good. It was recording the whole time. So I got a nice flight capture with you guys on camera. Yep. And everything is nicely checked now. Let's go out and check the flaps and stuff like that. Okay, good. And shift C. Left aileron is good. Now D. Left flap is good. Elevator is good. Rudder is good. And I hope you guys had an awesome week. Yeah, my week has went very well. And yeah, and again, I'm sorry I couldn't land on Tuesday at that airport. Somebody asked me. The runway was just too short. I don't like 1,900 feet runways. My minimum is like, my absolute minimum, or maybe, is like 2,500 if it has an upslope because it's easy. A tiny upslope because it's easier. Okay. Okay, now. Oh, you almost clicked something else. Okay. Now let's go out, come closer. Oil cover is good, and nose gear tire is nice and good. Yep. Okay. Now let's come here. This was such a nice flight. Yep. Okay. Now I'm gonna set up Alt V. Let's capture this nice flight. Okay. Now. Oh, great. I hate when that happens. Okay, now I have to do. Great. Okay. Good, nice. Yep, captured. Yep, good. And now let's put Alt V back on. Let's get back in. Okay, good. Let's put the camera how it was. And I thank you guys very much for flying with me on this beautiful Saturday and flying with me on this a bit too windy day in Kenya. And yeah, thank you very much guys for flying with me. And I hope you're gonna have an awesome rest of your weekend. And I hope you really enjoyed this flight. Okay, bye everyone. Have a great day. Bye.